A fav icon, or called as favorite icons, is also known as a page icon, shortcut icon, website icon, and URL icon, or a file containing one or more small icon, which are square images that shows graphical representation associated with a particular page or website which shows on a computer browser. They are next to the URL and to the left side of the browser's address, which are just next to the title tags displayed on the web browser, and it also helps with SEO. When you bookmark a page of a website, you get an icon next to that URL. Favicons allows the web developer to customize the site in the web browser, both in the title bar that is displayed in many browsers as well as in the bookmarks when a site is saved. Mainly website favicons are designed as a small rendition of their logo or other branding mechanism. The icon will also be displayed besides your website name in the favorites menu, the location bar in the Internet Explorer, and if the user opens up the favorites folder, it will be the icon used for a link to your site. Only browsers that support Favicon may display them in the browser's URL bar, next to site's name in the list of bookmarks, and next to the page title in a tabbed document interface. Let's look at the history. The word favicon is a portmanteau made out of the words favorite and icon, and it was named as such because it was the first supported by Microsoft Internet Explorer 5. It helps the users to quickly identify amongst other sites. You can see that the image can also be found if saved as a favorite that looks something like this. These are all his favorites you can see over here. These are all his favicons. Now, how to create a Favicon.ico file. The dimension of the image that you will create should be 16 into 16 pixels in size, which is small and you cannot draw much. The image file to be uploaded to root directory should be saved as eco file, that is favicon.ico. You need to upload it to your root directory of your web server, and the web browsers that supports favicons will apparently locate it eventually. You can modify your web pages and can upload it into your image directory. Most modern browsers also have the ability to use the favicon.ico file. They also accept the file in other graphic formats such as PNG format. Favicon Generator. This tool will allow you to generate a favicon.ico file from any image on your computer. You can go to the site called as favicon.cc or favicon-generator.org. Web browser supports favicon saved as GIFs, PNGs, or other popular file formats. This tool provides an easy way to convert any GIF, PNG, or JPEG to ICO. With this tool, you can favicons from the scratch. That means you can create any favicons from the scratch. The maximum file size is 150 KB. This is my site, that is favicon.cc. Over here, I need to register for this site before I do. Then it says icons by Sebastian is no favicons published. Yes, I can create my favicons over here. Just click this button where it says create new favicons over here. So you need to choose an image from your any of the folders which you have saved that image. You can even string to square, or you can keep it to the dimensions, but make it the maximum file size will be Here is shown as 5 MB over here. Mostly people choose their logos as their favicons, or you can choose any other branding items, but I feel logo should be the best. So here I choose a WWI, that is Whistling with International JPEG, and I over here. Now I can just upload it over here. You can see this is how my favicon looks over here. I can just use a color picker and just try to color it and make it beautiful, or make a different one, whatever I want to do. I can use all this transparency and all other things. This is going to show me how my favicon in original size will look. You can see my favicon over here. See here, this is my favicon which may look this way. This is my the small favicon over here. I'll show you how it looks in my browser. See, this is how it looks on my browser over here. You can see. You can even see here my site over here, SEO digital marketing training, and you can see that blue color favicon over there. And even you can see that for the sites besides that is being my URL. You can see that favicon over there for their website. See over here. These are the favicons. And now I'm just showing you to one of my clients. You can see how I'm creating a favicon for a particular website, that is for greetfruits.com. I am just going to favicon section. I need to click to select the picture, or maybe I can select different favicons afterwards. So here I am selecting one of my images. See, this is a favicon which I have selected. I'll show you how it will look. Just apply it. See, this is how my favicon is looking over here. So in this way you can see how your favicon will look for your own site. And now I will speak about the code in the head of your HTML document. This is a code what you can directly put up if you want to have your own favicon. You can directly put up in your code of your HTML document if you want to. The href can, but not needed, point to the location, the Favicon.ico. It could equally well point anywhere else on your site that is convenient. The image can usually be in any image format supported by web browsers. Internet Explorer, which only supports echo. You need to ask your viewers to bookmark your site and add this code to your web page about your favicon. The importance of a favicon is brand recognition, as most companies will use either their logo or a part of their logo. This can also be used on other popular websites such as Facebook, LinkedIn, and even mobile devices such as iPhone or iPad to improve user experience. There are various hosting sites that provide hosting of favicons from the servers. There is a possibility that the favicons may disappear if the browser's cache is emptied. It also works in Google's bookmarks. And after creating a favicon, you need to add it to your website and upload it to the root directory of your